Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learning Electronics. In this video, we are going to study an application of the voltage follower, that is voltage follower as isolating amplifier or buffer amplifier. So before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get more updated videos from here. So let us start the video. First of all, we should know why we use voltage follower as isolator or buffer amplifier, or what is the use of isolating amplifier or buffer amplifier. So it prevents the load from loading the source or supply circuit so that the desired operation of the source is not disturbed. So if we want the desired operation of the source is not disturbed due to loading effect of the source or supply circuit, then we have to use the isolating or buffer amplifier, which is a voltage follower circuit in between the power source and load. So in between this power source and load, we use voltage follower circuit. Now let us understand it. Here we have taken non-inverting operational amplifier, and we know that in non-inverting operational amplifier, the input signal or input voltage is connected at the non-inverting terminal of the operational amplifier. Okay. Now let us assume that the input current into the operational amplifier circuit is In, and we know that the input resistance of non-inverting operational amplifier can be written as input voltage divided by input current. So since ideally the current into the operational amplifier In is equal to 0. Practically it is very low, but ideally it is 0. So if we keep 0 here in this equation, so Rin becomes infinite. So that means ideally the input resistance of the non-inverting operational amplifier is infinite, and practically it is very high. Okay. Now since practically the input impedance of the non-inverting operational amplifier is very high, so when the circuit has very high input impedance, little current drawn from the source. Okay. So here we can see that the input impedance of the operational amplifier is very high. So from this source, little current will be drawn. So let us understand it by Ohm's law. By Ohm's law, we know that I is equal to V by R. So if the supply circuit is feeding high impedance load, resistance increases, then current decreases. By this equation, I is equal to V by R. So when the supply circuit is feeding a high resistance load, then the load will take less current from the source. Okay, that means less current will be drawn from the power source. So there is the voltage drop across the supply circuit also will be less, and power consumption is also very less. So the power of the input circuit is very less affected when the current is feeding a high impedance load. From this example we can see. Now I have explained you in the earlier classes already that when in this non-inverting operational amplifier we take this resistance R1 is equal to infinite and this feedback resistance RF is equal to 0, then this non-inverting operational amplifier circuit will turn into voltage follower circuit. Okay, now why we use non-inverting operational amplifier for voltage follower, for making voltage follower? The reason is the non-inverting operational amplifier has very high input resistance. That's why we are using non-inverting operational amplifier for making voltage follower circuit. Now let us take one circuit diagram. Here it is the power source. This is the power source and it is feeding a high impedance load. So by Ohm's law, again we know that I is equal to V by R. So here the impedance is high, means current will be less. So less current will flow in the circuit. So this high impedance load will take less current from this power source. So the voltage drop across this power source will be low. So power consumption will be low. Now we assume that the power source is feeding a low impedance load. So in this case, again by Ohm's law, I is equal to V by R. Now current, if resistance decreases, the current increases. So for feeding the low impedance load, high current will be required. So here huge current will flow, huge amount of current will flow. So the drop across the supply circuit will be more, and power consumption will be more. So more power will be taken from the power source. Okay. Now let us connect in between this power source and low impedance load one voltage follower circuit like this. We have connected a voltage follower circuit in between this power source, and this is low impedance load. Its impedance is low. Now we know that the input impedance of this voltage follower circuit is very high. Now what I told you, that by Ohm's law, I is equal to V by R. Okay. Now since power source is now feeding directly to the input impedance of this operational amplifier. So here, since the impedance, when impedance increases, the current decreases. So a current which is drawn is very low. So we know that here at this node, let us take this is node number 1 and let this be node number 2. So in operational amplifier by virtual short circuit, the voltage at node number 1 will be equal to the voltage at node number 2. So here the voltage is V in. So here at node number 2 also the voltage is V in only. So here in between output voltage VO and V in, there is no voltage drop. So here output voltage is equal to input voltage. In the voltage follower circuit, output voltage is equal to input voltage. In the last class we have already studied this. So whatever signal we applied at the input, the same signal we get at the output at the load side. Okay. So here since the loading effect of the source is decreased due to this voltage follower circuit, as explained before, less current is taken from the source. Loading means taking more current from the source is called loading. So since less current is taking from the source, so the loading effect of this source is reduced, and by the property of the voltage follower, the input signal is equal to output signal is equal to input signal. Okay. So same signal we get at the output as input. So the power of the supply circuit is not disturbed, and the voltage follower does not load the power source. Okay. So hope you have understood the topic. Thank you very much for watching, and please do subscribe my channel for more.